Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 5, textbook page number 35. The new chapter is factor and multiplies. On page number 33 you have the new chapter factors and multipliers. Now on page number 35 you have the built up right, true or false. Now you have the part A, 10 is a factor of 12. That's wrong. So you will write F here because it is the false. 5 and 6 are the factors pairs of 30. You can see that 5 6 are 30, 6 5 are 30, so that is the pair of 30. So sorry, that's true. That's true. So you will write T here, not F. 2 is a factor of all even numbers. Yes, that's true. 2 is a factor of all composite number. That's false because like 9 is a composite number, but 2 is not the factor of 9, so that's wrong. 2 is not a factor of any odd number. That's true. 4 is a factor of 48. That's true. Now you have the question number 2. List all the factors in ascending order. First write the factor pairs. Now you have the example. If you have to write the factors of 10, so you will write the factor of 10s like 2 5s are 10 and 1 10s are 10. So you will write it 1 2 5 and 10 in the ascending order. Now you have the part A is 3. Now see here, you have the question A, 3. Now what is the factor of 3? 3 ones are 3. So the factor of 3 is 1 and 3. That is the ascending order also. So now you have the part B, 8. So what are the factors of 8? 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So what is the factor of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. That is the factor of 8. Now you have the third part C, 9. So what are the factor of 9? 1 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9 and 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. That is the only factor of 9. So you will write the answer 1 3 and 9. You will not write the 3 for the 2 times. So you will write the 3 for the 1 time. 1 3 and 9 are the factor of 9. That is the answer. Now you can see the other questions on the same page from part A to part H. You have to solve these all questions on your neat copy. The part 1 will be solved on your textbook, part 2 on your neat copies. Now you have the part 3. Complete each of the following factor trees. So you have the first one, 24. Here the first letter or first digit is written 4. What will be the other factor of 24? What will be the answer? Come here. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are. So you will write the 6 here. 4 6 are 24. Now what is the factor of this 4? 2 2s are 4. And what is the factor of 6? 2 3s are 6. So that all are the factor of 24. That is the factor tree of 24. Now the part B, 36. Here the first digit is written 6. So what will you do? Simply you can divide it or just think about it. What will you multiply with the 6 to get the answer 36? 6 6 are 36. So you will write the 6 here. And what is the factor of 6? 2 3s are 6. Again 2 3s are 6. That is the factor tree of 36. Now the part C. Here the written 35. 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5. 5 and the 6. 2 3s are 6. And here is the 40. You can see that there is nothing written. So what will you do? Here you can find the answer. 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. So you will write here the 10. So here is the 10. So what will you multiply with the 10 to get the answer 44? 4 10s are 40. And what is the factor of 4? 2 2s are 4. Now that is the factor tree of 40. this question will be solved on your textbook. Only the part 2 will be solved on your NEET copies. Part 1 and part 3 will be on your textbook.